Hello, my name is Zoe Venditozzi.
And I'm Claire Mitchell QC.
Together, we run the campaign The Witches of Scotland. We launched last year on International Women's Day, and since then we have been campaigning for three simple aims. We wish to have an apology to all those that were accused of witchcraft. We wish to have a pardon for those that were executed for witchcraft. And we also want a state monument to mark what happened in Scotland's past.
I started the campaign on International Women's Day last year because of the 4,000 people that were accused of witchcraft in Scotland and the 2,500 that were killed, it's reckoned that approximately 85% of those people were women. In Scotland, we had approximately 5 times the amount of witchcraft accusations during the 16th and 18th century as elsewhere in Europe. So for over a period of 200 years, women in Scotland were at risk of being called a witch and obviously at risk of being killed by the state. I believe that that is a grave miscarriage of justice which has occurred to these people. And so, along with Zoe, we set up the campaign to try and redress that. In order to do so, we have launched a petition at the Scottish Parliament. That petition, which can be signed by anyone worldwide, asks the Scottish Parliament for the 3 things that Zoe mentioned, namely a pardon for those convicted, an apology for all those that were accused, and a national monument. The Scottish Parliament in the past has given pardons to people who have been convicted historically of offences, and therefore we think that the Scottish Government should consider this petition and grant it. We are delighted to find out that you are also interested in starting your own campaign in respect of remembering those people in your country that were killed as witches, and we very much hope that you have success.
Good luck with your campaign, and remember that you can sign our petition at Scottish Parliament if you so desire. And you can listen to our podcasts, which are a slow reveal of all the different things that happened during the so-called Satanic Panic.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.